How to open Halifax Bank's online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can open up and register for online banking for your Halifax Bank account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to register for online banking, or better also known as internet or digital banking, you first need to have existing account on Halifax Bank. If you do not have an existing bank account, go ahead and then create one first of all. Once you open up a registered bank account on Halifax, only then will you be able to register for its online banking services. So this video is for those who have already created the Halifax Bank account and they want to open up online accounts so that they can make transactions online. In order to do that, first of all, you just have to come to this URL, which is of Halifax official website, which is halifax.co.uk. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can respectively check that out if you want to. Once you go to halifax.co.uk, now by the way, if you've already registered for online or digital banking before, on the top right hand side you'll find a little sign in option. You can just go ahead and then click on the sign in option in order to log into your online banking account. But assuming that you have not yet registered and opened up your online banking account, in that case you just need to go to the option called register, which you see right over here. And once you go to the option that is basically called register, it says welcome, let's get started. So there are a couple of things that you need to fill out to register for your online banking account. For example, you need to fill in the about you section, then you need to enter your sign-in details, which you have to create yourself right now, then you have to confirm it, and then you'll be all set. So first of all, what we will do is we will just enter our title and then our first name over here, then our last name, as well as our date of birth, then the UK postcode that you basically have. So just go ahead and enter the UK postcode as well. Once you enter your UK postcode, if you don't live in UK, you can just check this option called I don't live in the UK, or it says if you have more than one account, you can use any of them here. So your account type for which you want to open up mobile or online banking, which is of course current or savings account, which I'm assuming most people are going to do, and then your sort code of your bank account, then you basically have your 8-digit account number as well. Once you enter your sort code over here, you should be able to go ahead and enter your account number, and once you enter your account number, you can just hit the continue button from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you hit the continue button, it will ask you for some other details to create your user ID and password, so that next time when you want to log in, you can use that user ID and password. Then after that, you have to confirm that it's you, either with your mobile number or either via your email address. Then you will all be set in order to register for online banking. That's all it takes to register and open up a Halifax Bank account online banking account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.